Hi, I'm Sam with Caster Specialist, and today we're going to grease some wheels. The first step in greasing your casters is you're going to need some grease, a grease gun, a nozzle, and a grease rag. You can probably find all of these at your hardware store or just around your office. Next step, you're going to want to make sure that you have all of your safety gear. So gloves are always a necessity when greasing casters, and then if necessary, wear those safety goggles. So now what we'll do is we'll identify the different types of casters and the different grease points within each caster. So there are two types of bearings that are going to be in your caster. You have the sealed bearings, like a ball bearing here. These are maintenance free, so you don't have to grease them or anything like that. And then we have our unsealed bearings, like a roller bearing here. These are the ones that we're going to focus on today and the ones that we're going to grease. So now what we're going to do is we're going to clean the caster and make sure it's free of all debris. So final portion, what we're going to do here is we're going to grease the caster. There are 3 different pinpoints that you're going to want to grease. First one is usually going to be on the wheel with the Zerk fitting. If there's not a Zerk fitting on the caster, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find the pinpoint on the axle on this side. Once you grease that, always check to see if there's a grease point on the swivel portion of the caster, and you'll grease that as well. Last thing we're going to do is we're going to clean up the caster so it doesn't collect any excess dust or debris. Remember, when you're greasing your casters, always remember what type of bearing that you have, because it's really important in terms of how much grease you use or if you use grease at all. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe below.
Conveyor and caster. Total Warehouse Solutions.